Hello friends, today I'm enjoying my Choco Con Queso. I bet you want to drink it too, right? Okay, I will tell you how to make it. To make it, you need a pack of milk and a glass of water. Besides that, you need chocolate powder, sugar, and also cheese. Next, you need a pan and a whisker. Lastly, don't forget to prepare a stove. First, boil the water. When it already boiling, pour the milk. Wait until they are boiled. Then add spoonful of chocolate powder. But you can have more or less depend on the taste of chocolate that you want. If you want a thick chocolate, then you may add more. Next, you need to mix them with the whisker. Then, put a pinch of sugar. If you like sweet Choco Con Queso, you may add more sugar. Now, let's put the cheese into glass and pour the Choco Con Queso into the glass and stir it well. And this is our Choco Con Queso. Let's enjoy Choco Con Queso. Have a great day, friends. See you.